So since we are riding at night, it would be a good test for this new Insta360 X5, because with X3, I actually completely avoided, unless there was a specific situation, shooting at night. And I hear that the sensor and the improvements that they've made to this X5, it should perform reasonably well. So we'll see. Right now, this is a very well lit area, but we are heading towards some back roads. So let's see how it performs.